Welcome to the EasyCrypto crypto card review usage experience. Links to the product can be found in the description below. In this review, I'll walk you through the features of the EasyCrypto card, who it's ideal for, and my own experience using it to help you decide if it's the right fit for your crypto spending needs. The EasyCrypto card stands out as a user-friendly option for crypto enthusiasts who want a straightforward way to spend their digital assets without unnecessary hassle. It's designed to make the crypto to fiat conversion process simple, allowing you to use your crypto balance for everyday purchases at any retailer that accepts major cards. What sets the EasyCrypto card apart is its focus on simplicity. Transactions are seamless, and topping up the card from your EasyCrypto wallet is quick and intuitive. The card supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, giving users the flexibility to choose which digital asset they want to convert into fiat for purchases. One of the biggest advantages of the EasyCrypto card is its low and transparent fee structure. There are no monthly maintenance fees, and the card offers competitive exchange rates, making it a good option for users who want to keep costs down while maximizing the utility of their crypto assets. Additionally, the EasyCrypto platform provides easy access to crypto trading, which is well integrated with the card, so you can manage your investments and spending from a single platform without jumping through hoops. This card is ideal for crypto holders who prioritize convenience and simplicity. It's a great choice for beginners and experienced users alike who are looking for a reliable crypto card without hidden complexities. The EasyCrypto app itself is easy to navigate, with a clean interface that makes it simple to track spending, manage crypto, and top up your balance on the go. In my experience, the EasyCrypto card does exactly what it promises, offering a reliable and user-friendly solution for spending cryptocurrency without unnecessary barriers. Transactions are processed quickly, the app performs smoothly, and the ability to seamlessly switch between supported cryptocurrencies adds a layer of flexibility that many users will appreciate. If you want a no-fuss crypto card that integrates well with your trading and spending needs, the EasyCrypto card is worth considering. Check the description for more details and links.